Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, where we find the hidden stories within companies' filings while you sip your coffee. Maybe this report is about to spill the beans on some unusual moves. Today we are diving into a filing from Unusual Machines Incorporated. Now, this isn't one of your everyday financial reports, it's a Form 8K, which usually means something significant has happened that the company needs to tell everyone about right away. And we have a bit of a spicy update before we dive in. If you like getting these corporate secrets decoded for you, make sure you are subscribed and ring that notification bell. And hey, we have a growing community over on Discord, link in the description, where we break down these filings in real time. So join us there. So what is the big news driving this report? Well, it looks like Unusual Machines Incorporated, or UMAC as you might see it traded, has put out an investor presentation. That is not usually something that triggers a big immediate filing like this, unless they're sharing something pretty important. Think of it like a company saying, hey, we have some big news and we're telling the public directly now. This company is incorporated in Nevada and trades on the NYSE American Exchange under the ticker symbol. UMAC, they are also flagging themselves as an emerging growth company. That basically means they are relatively new and get to follow some slightly different financial reporting rules, which can sometimes mean less frequent or detailed disclosures compared to older, bigger companies. The main reason for this filing is what is called Regulation FD disclosure. Now, that sounds super technical, but it just means that if a company tells something important to some people, they have to make sure everyone else gets to hear it at the same time. They uploaded an investor presentation to their website on the 12th of January of 2026. This filing is just their official way of saying, hey, we put this presentation out there and here it is. They are essentially making sure that any information in that presentation is now public knowledge, and not just something a select few investors got to see. Now, the actual meat of this filing is that investor presentation. While this 8K report doesn't contain the nitty-gritty financial numbers directly, it points us to the presentation where those numbers and strategies would be. This presentation is likely where the company is trying to drum up interest, explain its progress, or outline its future plans to potential investors. It's their moment to shine and hopefully convince people their stock is a good bet. What we can glean from this document is that the company is serious about its investors. They are registered on one of the major exchanges, the NYSE American, with their common stock trading under the symbol. UMAC, this isn't some small penny stock operation hidden away. They are in the big leagues. And they are using these official filings to communicate. So the story here is not about the company's quarterly earnings or a massive loss revealed in this specific document, but rather a strategic communication. Unusual Machines Incorporated is putting out new information through an investor presentation, and this 8K filing is simply the official notification to the market that this information is now available. It suggests they have something they want to share, likely related to their business performance, upcoming projects, or strategic direction. It's a signal to watch for that presentation to understand what they are saying to the market right now. Now, what does this all mean for us as observers of the corporate world? This type of filing tied to an investor presentation is usually a sign that the company is either very happy with recent developments and wants to showcase them, or they are trying to rally support for a new initiative or a future strategy. It could be about new products, expanding into new markets, or even financial performance that they believe is particularly compelling. Given it is an unusual machines company, I'd be looking for big leaps in their technology. Maybe innovative products that are gaining traction or significant partnerships that are about to move the needle. The fact that they've chosen to use an investor presentation to communicate this and then file that information via an 8K tells us they believe this update is material, meaning it is important enough to potentially influence an investor's decision. For Unique Machines Incorporated, the key indicator of their success will be in how this investor presentation translates into tangible business outcomes. Are they seeing increased investor confidence, which might be reflected in their stock price or their ability to raise capital? Are the strategies they are outlining in the presentation actually boosting their sales, securing new contracts, or driving innovation? The risks for a company like this could lie in the competitive landscape, the pace of technological change, and their ability to execute on their ambitious plans. If their unusual machines are truly groundbreaking, they need to prove they can be produced, marketed, and sold effectively. In conclusion, this 8K filing is a marker post. It is telling us that Unusual Machines Incorporated has important information to share, and it's all in that investor presentation. It's a call to action for anyone interested in the company to go find that presentation and understand what they are saying about their journey. Alright, that's our quick decode of this Unusual Machines Incorporated filing. What are your thoughts on this kind of immediate disclosure? Do you think it signals good news or something else? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the corporate world. And don't forget, our Discord community is the place to be for more in-depth discussions. So check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.